Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making sweet potato ragi paratha. Janhavi Kapoor new obsession. Sweet potato 1, small size sweet potato. Mashed potato like this. Salt as per taste. Green chilies 1 tablespoon. Onion chopped 2 tablespoon. Ragi flour 1 cup. Combine everything. Make dough. On a hot pan, spray oil. Take ball like this, small balls like this. Slightly spread with the hands. Cook on both sides on medium heat until it's done. Enjoy gluten-free Ragi Sweet Potato Paratha. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.